mga antikos, for today, isa na namang recipe ang ating lulutuin. Ang recipe na to ay tsak na swak at pasok sa budget. Pag sinabing lutong probinsya, ito talaga ang binibida ko. Ito ay ang laswa. Pasensya na at wala itong kamatis, medyo mahal pa rin kasi ang kamatis pero pwede na din. Laswa is a boiled vegetable soup that originated in Visayas, particularly in Iloilo and Negros. It's one of the many forms of sinabawan gulay in Filipino cuisine, similar to the dingding of Ilocos na may bagoong, bulanglang in Batangas, and sabaw na utan in Mindanao region. But for me, this is one of the comfort food you could ask to your nanay, tatay, tito, or tito to cook. Pag uuwi ako ng Cavite, my Tito Dante always cook this food. Ganun din pag umuwi kami ni Mama Ning doon sa Binangonan. Ito yung niluluto ni Dudoy. It's usually served during lunchtime where most of the family in Visayas normally eat together. Siguro kay tapos na ang obra sa kampo, urit na kumbaga. Yung nanay ko is a busy woman, busy sa paghahanap or pagpangita sa kwarta kag kinawala. Minsan lang yun magluto because she is the main provider of the family, so she needs to find a manning. But this food is a specialty of my nanay together with pritong isda or tuyo. She always ensure that she served the most nutritious food and of course pasok sa budget na food. That's my nanay, kuripot. Charot lang, charing-charing. Of course, kailangan magkuripot. Pito baya kami ay. Pag yan nagluto ng laswa, asahan mo marami ang time. It's just a simple halo-halong gulay, kalabasa, papaya, sitaw, talong, okra at mga dahon-dahon. Pero swear, it is one of the most delicious food pag nanay na ang nagluto. The best. Thank you for watching. Bye!